for a way to have a unique date night? Well, why don't you look at the stars? Let's look at this product. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Star Identification Camera app. This is an AI app that basically takes all the constellations and everything and puts it into your phone so that your camera can see them. That's right, it's as simple as pointing the camera, taking a photo, and then it tells you what constellation you're looking at. Nice! But as you know, in every episode, we're going to review and test it out. So let's get into it. This is the Star Identification Camera app. This is a new app called Star Identification Camera, and it's available on iOS and Android. Shoot stars and Milky Way with one click. Automatically recognize and mark celestial bodies in photos. Provide a complete solution for astronomy enthusiasts, from identification, shooting, to marking, to output. Professional star photography app. Enjoy a simple yet outstanding astronomical photography experience. Designed to capture faint light, just tap the shutter to easily record the magnificent scenes of stars, constellations, and the Milky Way without complicated settings. Currently, it supports and defaults to raw stacking and uses GPU acceleration to achieve real-time stacking during shooting, ensuring photos are high definition in real time. Automatic celestial body recognition and marking. It's capable of automatically recognizing and marking stars and constellations. With precise image recognition technology, it is more accurate than traditional gyroscope positioning, thus able to directly mark celestial bodies on photos, providing an intuitive "what you see is what you get" astronomical experience. Plus, newly added Messer objects are now available for exploration, including galaxies, nebulas, and star clusters. Andromeda Galaxy, the Pleiades are clearly visible in phone shot, and it's beautify and share photos. Through editing tools, you can select stars, constellations, and nebulas marked in star photos and make the fine adjustments to color, temperature, contrast, brightness, and saturation. Share uncompressed images with one click and explore the beauty of celestial bodies with friends. Everybody knows it's super fun to go out and stargaze, but you don't always know what you're looking at. So this Star Identification Camera app makes it easy. Plus, it's coupled with AI technology, allowing you to understand what you're looking at and make sure that it looks beautiful. This app is awesome. Great job, guys. This app is so cool. It's also made by a single developer. This is one person that made such an awesome app. It's like the perfect mix of being a little nerdy and being a little romantic. So go on a date and look for them stars. Hey babe, you're the only star I see. Mwah, mwah, mwah. We want to give a huge shout out to Star Identification app for sponsoring this video. You can find all their links down below. Don't forget, I've been today's host Matthew, and you've been watching Good Tech Cheap. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye.